Kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini IEBC ni ithiete na mbere na meharĩria ma gĩthurano kĩnene kĩa mwaka uyu, kuria kwambiriria umuthi nginya tariki 6 mweri ukite gukorwo ikiamukira maratathi ma wamurani ma ahuraniri 18 na giturwa kia utongoria wa bururi gĩthurano-ini. Peter King'ori uria urahuranira giturwa giki ta mundu kiumbe niwe uma wa mbere gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti ino umuthi, no mugaru na matanya make hamurithio ni undu wa gukorwo atahingitie mamwe ma mabataro ta gukorwo na thairi njiganu cia arumiriri yake hamwe na mangi.
So we shall reject your nomination, your registration is rejected, but we are here until the 6th of June.
So we are only going to organize ourselves, and we have consulted with the running mate, and we'll be back. We'll present them on Tuesday, and we'll present them on Monday and request to come for the interview again on Tuesday.
Justice Juma wa Justice and Freedom Party uma wa kere gwikinya mbere ya kamiti ino ya ithurano, kuria onake ahamurithirio kumana na gukorwo atahingitie na mbere yagiriire ya thairi cia arumiriri yake no aheo mweke wa gucoka mbere ya kamiti ino tariki 1 mweri ukite.
I would have expected a communication from IEBC to inform me if the electronic version that they're having are not in tandem with the hard copy that we gave them. I think that is not on our side. You can forgive us on that, but we will provide them to them since they are there. I think it is these are matters of administrative issue.
Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Dr William Ruto wa kiama kia UDM atanyitwo gucokia maratathi make tariki 4 mweri ukite, hamwe na mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka uria ucoketio kihitahitano-ini giki thutha wa kuhingia maundu maria arathitwo ni kamiti ya IEBC megie thairi cia aria maramunyita mbaru gĩthurano-ini giukite. Mwena-ini wake mutongoria wa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Raila Odinga agacokia maratathi make tariki 5 mweri ukite. Mihang'o ĩno nĩ thire na mbere icigo-inĩ ingĩ cia bururi gatagatĩ ka ahuraniria iturwa ngũrani ona gũtuĩka mathĩna ma kĩmĩtambo nĩ meyumĩririe na njĩra nene. Ta gĩcigo-inĩ mbunge kia Westlands gũkũ Nairobi gĩturwa kĩrĩa kĩrahĩtahĩtanĩrwo nĩ mũmbunge wa rĩu Tim Wanyonyi na kĩama kia ODM, Nelson Havi na kĩama kia UDA na David Otieno kana Sidi ũrĩa ũrahĩtahĩtanĩra ta mũndũ kĩũmbe.
Kufikia sasa ni karibu saa 8 hakuna kitu imeendelea, na hiyo inaonyesha ya kwamba tukiendelea hivi sijui uchaguzi itafanywa namna gani. Kama kufanya mtu mmoja hapa inachukua karibu 3 hours, masaa 3, na kupika kura ambayo itakuwa na watu maelfu itakuwa namna gani?
The arrow has told us that it's happening countrywide, and therefore we have to wait. We imagine from 9 up to 2 we are still waiting, and I was the second and there are 6 more behind me. So I think it is very frustrating for us as candidates because IEBC has had time to prepare for this. We are wondering what's happening. Is it actually by default or is it a systemic failure?
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.